So in this lesson, we're going to look at a trick for multiplying 2 digits under 5 seconds. So we're going to look at how we can multiply 2 digits numbers under 5 under 5 seconds. Okay, so let's take our first example. So our first example is 11 by 11. That's 11 times 11. So this is our first example. So this is how it is. So the first thing you do is that you are going to multiply the first digit of the first number by the first digit of the second number. So you have 1 times what? 1, which is equal to what? 1. Okay. Then you are going to multiply the digits themselves. So 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. This 2, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now you are going to multiply the ends of the number. So 1 times 1 equals 1. So let me write, this is what? The ends. These are the numbers themselves. Then this particular one, it's the beginning. Okay, so this is what's the beginning. So then you arrange them in the order. So the ones that you multiply, so 1 times 1, you arrange this order. So 1 times 1 is 1, so you write 1. Then 1, they are going to add these numbers, the product of these numbers. So you write it in this order. So into brackets, 1 plus 1, close brackets. Okay, then you are going to write the ends here, so in this order. So now you are going to get, so 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So 1, 2, and 1. So you add them in this order. So you take this place to be 0, 0, 0. So when you add them in this order, you are going to arrive at 120. 120 what? 1. 121. Now let's take our next example. We are going to work out 13 by 14. So 13 by 14. So this is our next example. So we are working out 13 by 14. So as I said, the beginning. So 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. And then the numbers themselves. So 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. Then the ends. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then you arrange them. So this one will come first. So 1. Then the sum of the words, the number, these numbers. The sum of what? These numbers. So 3 plus what? 4. Then take note. The 12 here, you make sure it comes here. So 12 like this. So if you multiply the ends and get a single digit, as we did for the 11 times 11 and had a single digit, as 1 times 1 was 1, and place it there. But if you get a double digit, you are supposed to arrange this like this. So 12. So the 1 will come in front of what? Then these numbers. The 1 will come in front of what? These numbers. Not only the 4. They are coming in front of what? These numbers. Okay. So now we have 1. Then 1, 2, then 7. So 7 will be here. Then you add them. Take note. We are adding this 7 to the 1. as I said, the 1 here is not only affecting the 4 here, it's affecting, that's why I brought a bracket, it's affecting both of them. So the sum of both of them is affecting them. So 1, so we get 182, 182, 182, 182. Okay, now let's take another example. 19 by 18. So 19 by 18, 19 by 18. So we multiply the beginning. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then the numbers themselves. So 9 times 1 is what? 9. 8 times 1 is what? 8. Then the ends. 9 times 8 is what? 72. 72. Then we arrange them. So 1, then into bracket 9 plus 8, then 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2. So when I arrange, I have 1, then into bracket 17, then 7, 2, 7, 2. So we are adding this 7 to the what? 17. We're adding this what? 7 to what? 17. So let's start writing numbers from the back. So this is what? 2. 7 plus 17 will give us what? 24. So 4. Then carry the what? The 2. So the 2 be added to the what? The 1. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So we get our answer of what? 300 and what? 42. 342. Okay. So now we take another example. 21 by 23. So we are working out 21 by 23. 21 by 23. So the first thing is multiply the beginnings. So 2 times 2 is what? 4. The numbers themselves. The numbers was themselves. So 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the ends. 3 times 1 equals 3. Then we arrange them. So 4 comes into bracket 2 plus 6. Now you can see it's a single number, so we don't attach it to this number, so we write 3. Right, what? 3. So now you get, so 4, then 8, then the 3. So we arrive at an answer of 400 and what? 483. 480. Okay, we take another example. 63. So we'll cancel this. We take 63 by 65. So 63 by 65. So the first thing we do, multiply the beginning. So 6 by 6 equals what? 36. Then the numbers themselves. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 5 equals 30. Then the ends. 3 times 5 equals 15. Then I'll rearrange them. So take note. Rearrange them. Now, it's not like the previous ones that we did. Now here we are getting 2-digit numbers. Now you have to push this number towards the middle number. So we are going to get 3, 6 into bracket. So you can see I mean that's what we are going to add what. That's what I brought beneath it. We are going to what? Add what? The 6 to the sum that we obtain here. So 18 plus 30. Now you can also see that we have what? 2-digit numbers here, right? So the 1 comes in. So 1, then the 5. So I get 36. Then this is what? 48. Then this is what? 15. 36, 48, and 15. Right? Now we add them. We're going to what? Add them. So let's add from the back. So this is what? 5. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Then this 6 plus 4 is what? 10. Please take notes. There's a different way of doing this. This 6 plus 4 is what? 10. So bring 0. Then carry 1 to the 3. So plus 1. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So you arrive at what? 4,000 and what? 95. 4095, 4095, 4090 what? 5. So take note, 4095, 4095. So take note, you can see that when we arrive at this particular place, when we did the sum of the numbers, we had 48. Now we didn't add 1 plus 48 automatically. We added them what? By using what? The numbers. So 1 plus 8 before it was 9, then 6 plus 4 before it was 0. We didn't automatically add the 1 to the 48 nor the 6 to the what? 48. But rather we did it stepwise. So 1 plus, because it's what? 2 digits numbers are here. There are how many numbers? 2 digits. Two digits numbers here. So you can't do that kind of what? Addition. Okay, so let's take our last example. So our last example is 99 times 99. 99 times 9. So you can see we built it from 11 by what? 11. Then we're ending at what? 99 times what? 99. Now, how do we do this? So first, the beginning, that's what? 9 times 9 equals what? 81. 9 times 9 throughout, so 4 times 81. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 9, 81. So the actual thing with this is that if you keep on practicing with this particular thing, it will be very easy for you to do it in your head without using the pen. So without writing, it will be very easy for you to deal with it. Very easy for you to deal with it. Right now, for you to be able to deal with such a particular thing using your head, without using your mental skills, without writing, you have to be very fast in multiplication. So with your multiplication, you have to be accurate and precise. Then with your addition to the same. So addition and multiplication is key here. It's very key. And how to arrange the numbers, you have to understand the concepts of how to arrange the numbers. So here there's another different thing that we are going to do here, so pay attention here. Okay, so now we are going to arrange them. We're going to arrange them. Okay, we are going to arrange them. So you have 81 brackets, 81 plus 81, then 81. I'm just writing like that because after that we are coming to do a perfect arrangement. I just want us to get the value of 81 plus 81. So 81 plus 81 is 162. Now take a look how I write the number. So we put the 16 beneath it. So 162. Then as usual, this one will hang out. Then the 8 comes on top of the the 2. The 8 comes on top of the the 2. The 8 comes on top of the the 2. So then you do your that form of addition. That form of addition. So you can see 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 plus the 1, 8. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. So as you can see, 99 times 99 is 9,801. And you can see that we've actually gotten our 9,801. 9,801. Okay, so this is the end of this particular lesson. So the name is at Made Easy V3J. So hit the subscribe button, like and share, because in the next lesson we are going to tackle more methods, more simpler methods for doing this form of multiplication. So more simpler methods for this form of multiplication. So follow for more, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.